Use ChatGPT to write your real estate marketing and 10x your sales. All right, ChatGPT is all the buzz right now. Everyone is talking about it. Everyone is trying to figure out how to use it. And real estate agents are acting like dinosaurs right now when it comes to this AI technology. 9 out of every 10 that I talk to have never even heard about it, yet it's changing the world. So in today's video, I want to expose to you how ChatGPT can write better copy, write your marketing for you as a real estate agent, and as a result, 10x your sales. As a real estate agent, we go out and we take listings. But one of the things that we fail to realize is that listings are lead magnets. They are the magnets for ready, willing, and able buyers. Outside of being referred a buyer, the best way to produce them is through listings because they're farther down the sales funnel. But most real estate agents, they don't grasp that. And if they do, they don't know how to actually leverage it. The way to leverage listings to produce more buyers is through marketing. And I'm going to show you today a step-by-step action of how to get ChatGPT to do the marketing for you. So let's jump into it. So once you get here to the home screen, you're going to ask ChatGPT to help you create an ad. So as you notice, come right down here. Can you help me create an ad for my real estate listing? And shoot it off. And here's this intuitive AI software that's going to come back and ask you for some details about the property, such as what type of home is it, bedrooms and bath. And that's where you're just merely answering the question. So we're going to go down here. So address is, let's put in a fake address, Passiflora and Encinitas, that's the city, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, near the beach, ocean view, near the beach, and Encinitas Ranch golf course. So as you can see, I'm doing this in real time to show you. This has not been recorded and put all in front of you. I'm going back to when I was an agent, when I actually had a listing. And unfortunately, this is how I would write because I'm not a good copywriter. I don't know how to write compelling copy to attract people in. I could say, here's the address, here's the bedrooms and bathrooms. It's near the beach, it's near the golf course, ocean view, and quiet street. Call for pricing. And I shoot it off. So, and here's the sample ad. Check this out. It's literally writing for you the ad that you can place on social media. You can place it in the MLS. You can place it at all these different places. Look at this thing go. It's writing it for you. This is amazing. Now, let's say I want to go and hey, create a shorter version. Maybe I want a shorter version for Facebook or Instagram or other places. Look at, here it is. It's creating a shorter version of the ad. This is awesome. How about, where can I run these ads to produce buyers? Look at, and it's showing you the different channels. This is unreal. This is why real estate agents, one of the reasons I should say, should be jumping all over this because it's giving you how to, not only is it doing the marketing and copy for you, but then it's telling you where to go and run them, right? You see classifieds, social media, email marketing, print ads, other real estate agents. It's unbelievable. And check this out. This is totally awesome. So create a Facebook marketplace ad, because that's a free place you can run this. You can even ask it to create a Facebook marketplace version. That's a place where you can put free ads on Facebook. And here goes. It's creating that version for you. Unreal. Now, let's say you want to do a YouTube video on this or a video for your social media. You can say, can you create a video script? And as you can see, this is now creating a script for you to actually go and record a video. You can do this with your phone. You can have a professional camera crew come out, whatever. But this is telling you it's not only writing the advertisements for you, it's telling you where to run the ads. And then it's gone ahead and actually created a video script for you to record. Now, if you're someone like me and I have a big team, we have all kinds of listings, all kinds of agents, but I like to put video content out about these listings. I don't need to ever step foot through. I could have the photos taken of the house. I can get in front of my green screen, record this, give it to my marketing assistant. They'll put the video together on iMovie with the photos of the house, and it's a done deal. Talk about expedited productivity. So as you guys can see, that's changing everything. The work I did in a matter of 60 seconds used to take us 6+ hours. Getting the photos, looking at the property description, trying to write a long description, write a short description, get it on to different places. Think of the different places to get it on. I can't tell you how many times I've been asked that questions by agents, and then write video scripts. It used to take time, cost money, and here's ChatGPT taking care of all of that for you. Guys, this is changing everything. I just showed you a way to 10x your income, 10x your productivity when it comes to marketing in your real estate business using ChatGPT. If you guys found this helpful, tell me about it. Comment below, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.